All right, so we're trying to solve another problem from JEE Mains 2019. This is a very simple problem. So in this question, what has been asked that this line is touching both the curves, a circle and a parabola, then what will be the value of mod C? So we know a property of a circle, right? That if there is a circle and then there's going to be a tangent to it, then if I drop a perpendicular from the center to the tangent at the point of contact, so that will be perpendicular and this distance will be the radius of the circle, right? So I mean, if I can just make use of this equation, which is y equals to y plus ax minus c equals to 0, and then drop a perpendicular from the center of the circle, which is 0 0, so that would be my radius, which is actually 1. So if I drop a perpendicular, what will happen? 0 plus 0 minus c upon square root of 1 square plus a square, right? So now that is gonna be actually equal to 1, right? So we can say that this mod of c is gonna be equal to a square root of 1 plus a square, right? So that is what will be my value, right? Now, another thing which I can observe, if this is a tangent to this parabola, so generally the equation to the tangent to the parabola is of this form: y equals to mx plus a by m, right? So here your a, in this case, don't get confused by this, here a is actually, we are talking about this 4ax, right? So here a is actually root 2. So my equation is mx plus a by root 2. Now we can compare this equation, whatever is given to us, y equals to minus ax plus c. So we can say that m is actually equal to minus a, and then c is actually equal to square root of 2 by m, right? So what can we say over here? I mean, we can say that m into c is going to be equal to root 2, or we can just substitute minus ac is going to be equal to square root of 2, or I can just square it. So this will become a square c square equals to 2. Similarly, if I square here, then I'll get c square equals to 1 plus a square, right? And I'll just substitute whatever we want to find out. We want to find out c, so we'll substitute a square. So a square will be c square minus 1. So I can have a squares and then c square as what? A c square minus 1 into c square equals to 2. Or I could have c raised to the power 4 minus c square minus 2 equals to 0. Or I could create the c raised to the power 4 plus c square minus 2c square minus 2 equals to 0. So I took this as c square as basically x or something, and treated it as a quadratic. Now I can take c square common, so this will become c square plus 1. If I take 2 common, then this will become c square plus 1 equals to 0. Then c square will be either equal to 2 or c square will be actually equal to minus 1. So this is not possible, right? Because c square can't be negative. So c could be either plus or minus root 2, right? And the mod c, I could say that it is actually equal to root 2 itself, right? So that is what is my answer to this question, root 2, right? So root 2 will be the answer to this question. If you have got any queries to this problem, then do ask me in the comment section below, and I'll be happy to answer your queries. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good day.